I knew Laurel Lance for almost her entire life. She was my friend. And I loved her. Laurel Lance became a lawyer to help people who may have appeared helpless. She wanted to give a voice to the silent.
If Martin Summers is to get justice for his crimes, then someone is going to have to do it for them.
But just being a lawyer wasn't enough. She wanted to do more for those people and for this city. Because she loved this city so much.
Dinah Laurel Lance, always trying to save the world.
Hey, if I don't try and save it, who will?
Laurel Lance was the Black Canary. She was not a criminal. She was a hero. She was a hero in every way that a person can be.